How to get multiple tasks done while the kid is still sleeping. Welcome to our home, where as a stay-at-home mom and wife, I find ways to clean or organize multiple areas within 15 minutes. I access which areas will take the longest, and I group areas together on each floor of the home. The laundry room needs rearranging, restocking and clothes cleaned. The upstairs foyer area needs vacuuming, dusting and items put away. Let's head downstairs to work on some tasks that will be quicker. Welcome to the family room. Today's tasks are: open windows, remove resell items off couch, fold blankets, fluff and remove pillows, and lastly, dust end tables. This can be done in 5 minutes, so I'll tackle it now.
So normally, I start my mornings off with first opening up the windows to let God's light in. It's also an additional way of saving on your electricity bill when possible.
If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly.
Now let's go fit making breakfast in while cleaning. It's effective multitasking. So I went and popped some hash browns and bacon in the air fryer the hubby upgraded for Valentine's Day. While that's cooking, I wash the dishes that were in the sink. My rule is, if it can be done within 5 to 10 minutes, do it now, not later.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want.
Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
need some me time.
You know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
What are some of your multitasking techniques? Comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today.